folks, and welcome to another Ken's Home video. Today we're off to see the 2011 Muscle Car Masters of Eastern Creek. As they roll past for the warm-up lap. This is one of the spots that I like at Eastern Creek. This is between turns 5 and 6. Halfway up the hump you can see most of around the back of Corporate Hill area. Another great spot for viewing and spectating is right on the end of turns 12 and 11. You can see pretty much from Corporate Hill right down to the end of the main straightaway. Front row of the grid is Daniel Tomasi in the black Holden Calibria from Kerry Bailey in the red Nissan 300 ZX. This should be an interesting start for the sports sedans. The commentator before said they're usually used to rolling starts. Looks like everyone got away clearly from the start, and we're back at turns 4 and 5.
Down into turn 9 they come for the first time, Jeff. Fantastic looking field of cars that we've talked about so many times here at the Creek and other places like Bathurst for the 12 hours when they've run supports in Oran Park in past years. A little bit of a bingle there from the mid-pack, someone running out a little bit wide. The number 11 car that was one really good Simon Coffey in the
It's Kerry Bailey, and then Daniel Tomasi in the next one, Jefferson's the next one through, and Jackson's got through well. The one that lost out was Scott Butler. He's gone back to about 8th and 9th now. Urban's in there, and then we go just back a little bit further to William and Colville. So a good start from Kerry Bailey, and as I said, Freddie Sousa, he caused a little bit of havoc off the start. It's unusual for Bailey to be headed once he's out in front too. Daniel Tomasi.
The three utes were performing fairly well. High as mid-pack, that's not too bad.
I wonder if he's actually lost momentum of the vehicle, and I'm not seeing him come through at all. Yeah, problems for Freddie Sousa, so he's dropped out over the back there somewhere. As Butler has a look on the outside, Smith went very, very deep. The little Mazda Robbie Urban nearly got up the inside of him, tried very hard, but this is having a big fight back there.
Awesome sound from the sports sedans as they thunder down the kilometre-long straight to Eastern Creek. great at Eastern Creek that you can drive around a lot of the track. There's the Tirana up there. There was heaps of people just camped out of the back of their cars. As they head round the back of Corporate Hill on the final stages of this race, head back to the grandstand for the finish.
Should be out this time through as they did. Daniel Marzi, a fantastic win. Put your hands together for Daniel Marzi.
That was a great win by Daniel Tomasi in the black Holden Calibria from Kerry Bale in the Nissan 300 ZX, and Damien Jamison in the Jag came in third from Chris Jackson in the Holden Calibria 4. Well folks, that's just about it for Ken's home video for the 2011 Muscle Car Masters.